Hi everyone, welcome to AmalaMovement. I'm Charlotte. This week, as part of the Fundamentals of Breath series, we are looking at the cooling and the calming Sitali breath. Let's get started. So as part of this Fundamentals of Breath series, I'd love to spend a little bit of time with you to first explain what Sitali Breath is, the benefits of the practice, and then I will guide us through a pranayama and meditation where we will explore the breath and give it a go. So wherever you are, please do make sure that you are comfortable. And let's first take a big breath all together. Inhaling through the nose. And a soft exhale out through the mouth. Slowly blinking the eyes open and arriving into this space. So Sitali Breath is a pranayama, a breathing technique that aims to calm down the nervous system and cool down the body. So you'd be looking to practice Sitali Breath in a warm environment where you are looking to cool yourself down. So you wouldn't want to be practicing Sitali Breath when you or the environment you're in is already cold. Sitali Breath can also be really beneficial in helping to calm you down when you're feeling angry or frustrated or overly agitated. And in my experience, I've also found that Sitali Breath is something that kids absolutely love doing too. So this can be a really great thing for children to help them calm down and to cool off. You would be looking to practice Sitali Breath for 2 to 5 minutes at a time. And as always, when you're working with the breath in this way, you never want to overexert yourself. So always make sure that you, your body, your mind, and your breath feel comfortable, and just build it up at a pace that works for you, and just trust that you can really support yourself as you move through this practice. So with all that being said, let's learn the breath. So I invite you to join me wherever you are and find Gyan Mudra. So bring your thumb and your index finger together and come to rest the backs of your hands on your knees. Roll the shoulders in towards the back and elongate the spine. So gently lift up through the belly, chest and collarbones. And with Sitali Breath, we are looking to roll the tongue. So making a U shape, curling the sides like this. And of course, not everybody can do that, and that's okay. So if this isn't working for you today, instead you can just make a small hole with your mouth, almost like you're about to whistle, and work with this instead. So whatever variation you're doing, you will inhale through your mouth like you're slurping up through a straw. So let's try that together with an inhale. And at the top of the breath, you close the mouth and exhale out through your nose. And this is the breath. So let's go again. Make a curl with your tongue. Inhale. Close the mouth. Pause. And exhale out through the nose. Once you've got the hang of it, you can close your eyes, tune into your experience. Inhale through the mouth. The top of the breath, closing the mouth, pausing. Exhale out through the nose. keep this going. And whether you're making a small circle with your lips or doing the curling of the tongue, as you breathe in, you may be able to feel the cold air brushing against the back of the throat. Pausing at the top. Exhaling with control out through the nose. So really control that exhale. Keep it long, soft, and continuous. Inhale through the mouth. Pausing at the top. And exhale through the nose. And I invite you to keep going with this cycle. And if it feels okay for you, if it feels comfortable, start elongating the breath. So can you make your inhales that little bit longer, make that exhale a little bit longer. And we can even start to pause and hold the breath at the top, so after the inhale. I'll talk us through it. A long inhale through the mouth, curling the tongue or making a small hole. A long pause at the top. Soften the shoulders, soften the body. And a controlled exhale out through the nose. Inhale through the mouth. Pausing. Exhaling out through the nose. We'll take one final cycle, inhaling through the mouth. Pausing. Exhale out through the nose. And let the breath go. Return to your normal state of breathing. Using this as an opportunity to notice the effects of the practice. Your body might be feeling cooler. Your thoughts may be feeling quieter or softer or more gentle. And the whole of the body may be feeling more calm and relaxed. And maybe not, and that's okay as well. Great. Let's bring the palms of the hands together. Thumbs lifting to your third eye. Thank you so much for sharing your time and your energy with me and for deepening your practice in this way. Namaste.